Hello everyone and welcome back to Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between through and through. It is very common for English language learners and even native English speakers to get confused how to spell these words since they sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. Through, spelled T-H-R-O-U-G-H, can be an adverb or a preposition. We use through to indicate movement that leads into one side of something and out the other side. Let's first review through as an adverb. Through can have the following definitions: from one side or end to the other, from one part to another, or from the beginning to the end. Let's look at some examples. They drove through the tunnel. I read through all your notes. We sat through a 2-hour graduation ceremony. Now let's review through as a preposition. Through can mean as a result of or by. Examples: I met my boyfriend through a work colleague. I learned about this job offer through Facebook. Now let's learn about the word through. Through, spelled T-H-R-E-W, is the past tense of the verb throw, which means to launch something into the air with your hand. Let's look at some examples. The man threw the baseball. The teenager threw her clothes all over the floor. The criminal threw the evidence into the sea. You may also use the word through as part of many different phrasal verbs. For example, throw up or threw up means to vomit or be sick. Throw away or threw away means to dispose of or get rid of. Throw on or threw on means to quickly put something on, such as clothes. Let's review some examples using these phrasal verbs. Johnny didn't go to school today because he threw up last night and had a fever. My mom threw away my old computer. I threw on my dress and ran to school. Now let's look at some examples using both through and through. The girl threw the baseball through the window. Jessica threw up all through the night. I threw on my running shoes and ran through the park to Jeff's party. Now it's your turn to practice. Your homework is to write one sentence using through and one sentence using through. Write your sentences in the comment section of this video. I hope you enjoyed this mini lesson on the difference between through and through. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.